Ma'am, ano ho ba talaga ang plano ng AFP? Ito ho ba ay para higpitan ang security ni VP Sara?
Ito po ma'am, yung pong temporary po no na pagpalit po sa security detail is based po sa pag-support ng AFP ma'am dun po sa investigation that's gonna ensue because there's a subpoena po na in-issue po ng PNP kaya minabuti po ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas na temporary po na i-release po itong mga involved po dun sa subpoena, ma'am.
Bakit ho nagkaroon ng subpoena? Ano po ang laman nito?
Hindi ko nakita personally, ma'am, yung subpoena, but we were informed po that there will be, they're called upon for, yung dun sa recent incident, ma'am, no, na na-involve na po itong ating security personnel, ma'am.
Which incident?
Nitong huli, ma'am, na yung with the proceedings po na mga nakaraan po, ma'am.
But anything in particular, ma'am? Kasi gusto ko po malaman kung bakit. Ang nangyari ho kasi, ang sabi po ni General Bronner, ay sinabpina ng PNP, ito pong Vice Presidential Security Group. Tama ho yun, no, Ma'am Francel? So, bakit ho sila sinabpina?
What we were given, ma'am, is names of those who's gonna be in the subpoena. We don't have the actual copy po ng subpoena, ma'am, and the reason behind. But yun na po, with the names that were provided us, yun po yung reason, ma'am, to,
Ilan po yung pangalan, ma'am?
Hindi kami binigyan, ma'am, ng exact numbers ng kung ilan po.
But, mga pangalan, nagbigay ho sila ng mga pangalan. Can you divulge the names?
Isa lang po, ma'am, yung nag-stand out, which is the, yung pinaka-head po ng VPSG po.
Sorry, can you repeat that, ma'am, please?
Ang lang po natin dito, ma'am, is yung head lang po ng VPSG po, ma'am.
Ang sabi niyo po yung head ng security detail ni Vice President at ang kanyang pangalan po ay?
Colonel, ma'am, Raymond Lachica po, ma'am.
Colonel Lachica?
Yes, ma'am.
So is this the same Colonel Lachica, Colonel Padilla, na lumabas ang pangalan doon sa hearing noong isang araw?
Yes, he's the commander of the Vice Presidential Security Group.
Yung sinasabi po ng disbursing officer na ibinigay niya yung pera dito kay Colonel Lachica, ito din ho siya?
Yes po, ma'am.
I see. Okay. Colonel, so what will make up the group now na magsisecure kay Vice President? AFP ho ba at PNP?
Yes, ma'am. I was informed po na it will be a mix of AFP and PNP personnel po, ma'am.
Ilan po?
Sa ngayon, ma'am, it's still under process po. For implementation pa po siya, ma'am.
For implementation. But meron ho ba kayong idea kung ilan na lang ang natirang security detail ni Vice President Sara Duterte?
Ma'am, I don't know the exact numbers for VPSG, but ang ginawa kasi dito, ma'am, before kasi, ma'am, separate po ang VPSG. Ngayon po kasi, it's under one umbrella unit, which is the Presidential Security Command. So yung Presidential Security Group became a command and nag-merge po yung PSG at yung VP PSG, ma'am. So yung numbers po has greatly increased kasi nag-joint na rin po yung number of personnel. And for every deployment, ma'am, usually yung Security Task Action Group will request number of personnel that they need every deployment po.
But sa inyong siguro masasabi sa amin, more or less, ilan ho ba ang kailangan mag-secure sa Vice President?
Yun nga, ma'am, no? That will depend on certain engagements. So, per engagement po kasi yan, ma'am, we do our homework, so to speak. So, sasabihin po nung STAG commander, ma'am, no, kung ilan yung required niya na personnel per deployment po.
And right now, that's not something you'll be able to tell us. Kasi naging controversial din naman ho ito, hindi ho ba, Colonel Padilla, dahil dun sa sinasabi, umano na hundreds of security personnel, umano ni Vice President Sara Duterte, hindi ho ba nagalit din siya dahil sumama ang kanyang loob or she was very disappointed kasi ilan sa kanila ay tinanggal sa kanya doon po sa VP SPG?
Yes, ma'am. Prior po yan, ma'am, nung nag-merge po. So dahil before, ma'am, separate nga po yung DPSG. So they have their certain numbers po. But because they are merged now, ma'am, malaki na po yung number ng inclusive ng PSG. So pwede na po, ma'am, mag-adjust yung troops depending on certain engagements po.
And right now, it's called from PSG, PSC na po.
Yes, ma'am. It's the Presidential Security Command po.
And the Presidential Security Command is it has the responsibility, ma'am, to secure the President, the family of the President, the Vice President, and the family of the Vice President. Tama ho ba yun? Mukhang nawala na naman sa linya ng telepono. But maraming salamat po, AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Padilla.